Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa again. Look what I got. I actually got this club kit towards the end of September, but I got too busy with the classes that I have been teaching at Mesquite and also at Henderson. So I'm just showing you this a little bit late, so here you go. Oh, by the way, for those people who are first-time viewers to my channel, hello. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. And if you could please subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And for those of you who have been watching me for a while, yeah, please subscribe. And when you do subscribe, please click on that notification button. Anyway, so let's get started and open the package up. I'm so excited. I haven't seen this at all, or haven't seen any other instructors yet, and I purposely did that so that it'll all be a surprise for all of us. So, oh my goodness, good times. Oh wow, embrace the moments, guys. This is so cool. Okay, let's open the package. Oh wow, let's go through the layouts that are here. And of course, our layouts actually tell you what the templates were used, and we have the cards here too. So let's open the package. Oh my goodness, guys, we have an a la carte keepsake. Look at this template. That is so awesome. And then we also have two other a la carte templates. We have the mason jar here, and then we have an apple a la carte. Oh my gosh, I wonder if when they're going to release this for all of you guys to avail of. And by the way, you know, if you are not a member of the Kit Club, it's not too late. My link is down in the description below, and also coming up at the end of this video. And so let me go through the papers real quick, and I'm going to speed this up but show you the papers as I go through them. We are now going to the cards, and we're going to go start with the 3x4s. These are the 4x4 cards. The 4x6 cards. Okay guys, let's start working, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to design a layout for this kit. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to play with the templates, and had decided that instead of using the mason jar and the apple, I am just going to use the new a la carte keepsake, the scallops 1B, and the brackets 3T. And guess what, guys? I actually have pictures to scrapbook and use for this layout. So let me show you how I envision, and this is going to be a 2-pager. So we're going to put the a la carte keepsake in the middle, and then we're going to have the scallop down here, and I'm going to put it almost towards the middle. Then we will have a 4x6 photo to go over here, and I'm going to scoot it all the way down there. And I will need a the other element that I'm planning to do or to use, which is basically the journaling and the title that I'm doing, is going to go down on this side, and I will trim it and have brackets on the top and the bottom to go with this keepsake a la carte template. So that's how our left side's gonna look like. Now the right side is gonna look like this. So what I'm planning to do is cut this in the middle. So this will go on this side. I'm sorry, this side. Okay, the other half I'm gonna scoot it and tack it down to be about a 1/4 inch like this is on the left. So this will be a 1/4 inch on the right. So just imagine that with me. So it's gonna go this side's gonna be on the left side, and then the right side will be around that way. Okay, I will have 3 photos. I'll have 1, 2, and 3. Of course, you can change any of these photos into a 4x6 journaling element like that. I'm gonna go ahead and trace, cut, and then ink the elements. So because this card is a little off-centered if you look at it, I'm gonna try and center it. I want to go ahead and trace this bracket, try to center it best I can. And I'll do the same thing on top, best I can, trace it and get it centered. Because this is a dark paper and I want to trace this and this is lighter, I'm going to take this and put it back and trace it. Okay guys, it's time to cut. So guys, I had a dumb moment earlier. I did my tracing on the other side and it's darker. It was harder for me to see. So when I traced the second keepsake a la carte template, I just went ahead and traced it at the back. I'm like, I don't know why I did that first time. This is so much easier because I can see it better. In this case, I'm cutting it down because it's easier for me to manage the paper, to move the paper around. Okay guys, it's time to ink our elements. So I have a new ink pad here, and when you have an ink pad that's new, you have to be very careful because it's too juicy. So you might want to be light-handed when you start inking your edges. Okay guys, it's time to cut up the element that I will use for the right side of the page. I'm gonna cut the keepsake cutout into 3.5, one for one side and the other side. Let me try to center this. I am looking at this spot over here, the highest point over on this side, and the highest point over on this side too. Trying to center them on both sides, keeping this at the point at 3.5. I hope you see what I'm trying to do here. Okay, and I'm happy with that, so I'm gonna cut. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for this side, 3.5. I'm gonna hold this down, but giving it some slack so I can move the paper and figure out where the highest point is for this and that. Okay, I'm okay with that. So now we have this as a leftover, and maybe I can go ahead and use this for another layout in the future. So I'm going to put this on the side. So let's start with the left side of our page first. I will be using this as the base for the layouts. And that's how I see this. So let's tack this down. Okay guys, that's our left side. And I actually have a picture this time. That's, to me, good. Okay, I'm good with that. Let's go work on the right side. Notice I didn't ink this. It's gonna get covered anyway. About a 1/4 inch from the end, and then I'm just gonna eyeball from the top and down here.
On the other side too. And
hopefully I could get it straight too. Okay, that's as best as I can get it straight. I hope. Okay, now let's put this down. Okay guys, it's time to tack these pictures down. So I found my selfie. I have been looking for that thing for quite some time now. So I'm so glad to have found it because now I was able to print the pictures and have them down here today. So on this layout, so I actually have a full layout today. So that was I was really happy to find it. Anyway, so this event happened last week and I'm so happy. It turned out really good. Okay guys, this is the right side of the page and here's the left side. I hope you can see it clearly. And yeah, these are my best friends from high school. We've known each other since we were 13 years old. Some of them have known each other since they were like 4 or 5 years old. But yeah, we've been friends for like ever. And this is the layout from our club kit, Embrace the Moments. So yes, embrace the moments, guys. So here you go. Very simple. I'm a very simple scrapper. To my friends, hello! I scrapped your pictures on YouTube, so I hope you don't mind. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. For all of you who haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you are interested in purchasing any of the products that I featured here for this layout or scrapbook process, information is coming up after the video. So guys, thanks again for watching and see you later. Bye.